Okay guys, what is going on here today? We are going to go over what exactly happened and is the stock market going to crash? So with that being said, let's jump right into the intro and get into these plays. Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe. I'm putting out at least one video a week, giving you guys absolutely free content that's going to help you guys, whether it's long term, short term, just in finance and everything like that. So with that being said, let's jump back to the video. So today was a very important day. Everybody thought that the market was going to be red. I'm going to start out up here. You guys see this SPY play right here. This was actually a giant pull down. You can see it hits a low of 298.93 here. We did short this actually, or technically we bought puts here on this one and made a good chunk of change here. This was a great play, and same with Roku. Roku had basically the same chart, except for Roku kept selling off here. If you look a little closer here, you can see it did not have a good day. Go to a 4-hour chart and kind of make that a little bit more clear. You can see it just had a giant red candle and then just absolutely just went further today, and now we're back up at 115.15. With that being said, now though, why did SPY all of a sudden pull up rather than just getting destroyed like it really probably should have? And there's one simple answer for this, and it is FED. It's the Fed. The Fed has bought a ton. I don't remember the exact number. I did look it up a little bit ago, but they have bought a ton of company bonds. Basically, if you look at Apple, for instance, here on a 4-hour chart, they have went up. They had a great day today. And why was that? Is because the government is buying these things and it's pushing the market back up. And that is one of those most important things that I don't think a lot of people actually understand enough about. And that's why really here again, Facebook had a ton of bad news, but if you look at the last 4 hours of this day, they came back quite a bit. Or actually it was the first 4 hours. They went down at the beginning of the day too, and then had a big push off the rest of the day. Again, Roku was the only one that really stayed down. Amazon as well is one of those that actually went down and then came back up. Again, you can see it. There's a ton of these that I have looked at here recently. But SPY was the main one that actually fell down. Everybody and their brother figured that this one was going to be the one that just kept pulling down. It surprised us. It caught support in here. It actually did fall, but then it caught support. And then after that, the rest was history today. This thing just took off running and just never stopped in the front half of the day. And when it had that momentum, it just carried it through lunch and through the back half of the day. It did dip a little bit. That's normal, guys. That's something, when something's run up so far, there is going to be a pullback. So there was a pullback the last hour of the day, though. We did see it push up the rest of the day, especially the last 30 minutes of the day. There was definitely a nice push up here, and you can see here after market, we're up even higher at 305.45. Again, crazy day from 298.93 to 305.45. That's something that does not happen every day, guys. I just want to make this video super short, understanding what exactly is going on. What I expect to see tomorrow, honestly, is we're more than likely going to have a lot of green. Again, the Fed is going to be pumping money into this market because they don't want it to go down. Facebook has had a ton of bad news, and when I say a ton of bad news, guys, there has just been news after news article after news article saying that things are supposed to be falling out of the sky right now. Fed's pumping in here. Every Coca-Cola, Pepsi, all these Hershey's, all these companies are pulling their advertisement money from Facebook, and that's absolutely, realistically, should be killing them. But again, the Fed pumping this stock up is keeping this thing up a lot. So with that being said, guys, thank you guys all for watching the video. If you guys have any questions about anything like that, leave a comment below. I will respond to absolutely every single one of you guys. Thank you guys for watching the video, and I will see you guys in the next one.